Welcome back again to the day 2 of the 5 days design class. I hope you are doing good. So this is what we are going to create on today's tutorial. So I will start afresh. I will change the working space from here. I will delete. Then I will change the background from here. I told you we change background from this place that has double square. Click here and select the color green. Then you delete this text. Go to your gallery, open the gallery. Just allow the item to open. Then we select the picture we are working with. This one download. I'm going to send you this on our WhatsApp group. So I will open this image from here. This image in here, I will give you the link on where to download them. Then this is it. Keep it here like this. Then the next thing to do is to create a shape from here. Create a shape. This is important and you're supposed to learn it. When you create a shape, you make sure the edges of this shape fills the edges of this place, just like this. Then on this place now, you come to where you change the color. Click on gradient. This is gradient color. Then you select. Let's just use this blue and do it. Then click on this plus arrow here, this cross arrow here, and this thing will come up. You see this upside is transparent and this downside is colored. This downside I'm touching now is colored. Then touch this place. This is where you change the color, and we are going to change this to green, dark green, this way. Click OK. You see what happened now? This is another how to blend image to the background. You see what I did now? The leg of this picture is going into the background. I will now copy, paste, copy and paste. Be doing copy and paste till it's well blend, just this way, you see. Then you now group this for like this, and that thing you now create a new shape. Create a new shape this way. Click OK. Drag from here this way. Keep it here. Send it to the back from here. Send it to the back, just this way. I used texture for this, and we'll go to where the texture is. Then we'll allow it to open so that we select the texture. I'm going to send you the image and the background we use for the texture also. We open. Look at the texture image here. Click OK. This is cool. Then click OK also. That's it for this one. We lock these two. Then another thing now is to put in the text. Happy. Then you see what I just did now. I created a new text. Click on bold it. Click on text. I'll use that font I use yesterday. Let me make bold. Click OK. Then before I start copying this text now, I have to do everything I want to do with it before copying it, so that it will not give you much stress. I will use the same background here as the texture. click OK this way. I've applied texture on this text now. I've applied texture on this. So you see the texture here. Let me zoom it so that you see the texture. You see the texture and the text. So that's it. Touch this place again. This thing will go out. Reduce this thing like this. Sorry. So you now put this shadow here. Then reduce the opacity of this shadow. Enable this shadow this way. The offset Y. Okay, this offset to X should be 9 or 7. Then reduce the opacity. Continue reducing the opacity. Then keep it here. Happy. Then you can now copy this thing. When you copy, you edit. That's the work of copying this text, so that everything you applied on the other text will now show here. Then children's. Let's go and change this font to that one we used. This is the font. Belladonia. That's the name of the font, Belladonia. So it's not a must. You can just check from the normal font that comes with Pixel app and use it. Okay, I think I have to enable. This texture is not showing well. That's cool. Put it this way. Bring this happy up a little bit. Then bring this one here. Copy this happy again. Use it as day. Click OK. Bring this one down here. That's cool. You are seeing what I'm doing. Everything is aligning to the center. The happy and the birthday is on a center line. Then the children's is bigger than the other one. So you click OK this way. I think that's it for this. What we do now is copy this happy again. We use it for this. Better still, let's cancel it, delete, create a new text this way. We want to create a dot line here. Just be touching your dot line like this. You click enter, create another one. Click enter again, create another one. Click enter the last time, create another one. Now click OK. This is how I do that thing. Now click bold. Then come to line spacing. We have spacing now, we have line spacing. Touch this line spacing, you see it's spacing this way. Reduce it -16. See, it's at -29. That's how your own will be at -29. Click OK. Then bring this one here. Copy it. Bring this one here. That's cool. This is how I created that design. So what you do now is you will create your own. Is the assignment, you have to do it. Design your own and submit it. Thank you so much, and remember to subscribe. Share this video to your friends. See you in tomorrow's video.